a cutting board, old jeans, an X-OXO knife, a Sharpie, and scissors. The first thing you want to do is to put on your jeans. Then, with a Sharpie or marker, make a mark where you want your shorts to be cut. After you're done marking the jeans, lay them out on your table, then cut where you marked them. If you need to adjust them, that's fine, but if you're cuffing, make sure to leave about 3 inches of space. And you're done. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!